Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to draw a waterfalls. First, let's draw the waterfalls. And then the river. And the lands beside the river. And a little bit of rocks over here. And let's draw a tree over here. And let's put some leaves. And let's draw some big rocks in the bottom of the tree. And let's draw some rocks beside the waterfalls. And let's draw a tree here for the additional view. And a rocks over here. And draw some grass. And let's draw some splashes and lines for the effects of the waterfalls, so it will look like realistic. And some wooden stick over here for the additional view. And draw a zigzag lines for the reflection in the water, so it will look like realistic. And add more small details like grass and rocks. And I decided to put a bird here in the tree. You can put also other animals here, like monkey hanging in the tree, or a squirrel, or a lizard crawling, or a snake. It's up to you, but I prefer a bird. Now we're going to trace it all using our marker pen. When tracing our drawing, make sure that you do it slowly and surely, to avoid some major mistakes. When it comes of drawing or painting, we need to be patient. Because, when we do it in a hurry, our drawing will turn out badly. So, let's keep it slow and chill. Once the tracing of our drawing is done, let's dive into the coloring part. Let's color the trunk of the trees brown. And for the leaves, I draw some curly lines, so it will look realistic. And we're going to color the leaves with green. And let's color the grass green too. And let's color the rocks gray. And brown for the lands. And color the ground with yellow-green. Color the sky with blue. And a lighter blue for the waterfalls and river. And for the bird, I color it blue and red. And here is our finished drawing. Good job guys! Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing video like this. And as always, thank you for watching.